644, Nick, I know a lot of hunters are paying attention to this week's forecast with shotgun season coming up.
Yeah, no doubt about that. And I'll tell you, some warmer weather actually in store for us for possibly that first shotgun deer season coming up this weekend in Illinois. A live view outside our studio doors right now, though, and not a whole lot of warm weather out there to begin the day. In fact, it is pretty chilly out there. Temperatures hovering right around the freezing mark. So if you are heading out this morning, may want to bundle up, grab that extra jacket. Look at that sunrise there coming up near the water tower in Mount Vernon. All right, so here we go. We've got big area, high pressure, big ridge going to take control out across the central U.S. That's going to send the jet stream up near the Canadian line. That's going to start to pump in some warmer weather, especially for the second half of the week. Today, those sunny skies, mild weather for this time of year. Enjoy it today. It's still a breeze out of the south and west, but another cold front on the way first thing Tuesday morning. It brings a brief cool down. We're talking about 1 or 2 days of some slightly cooler weather. By Thursday and Friday, though, temperatures will rebound, complete flip-flop. We'll be back in the upper 60s by the end of the week. In fact, right now outside, though, maybe hoping for some of that warmer weather. Back into the upper 20s, places like Mount Vernon down to 27 degrees. Elsewhere, McLeansboro, you're at 32. Benton currently at 34, down I-57. Marion's at 35 and down I-24. Vienna down to the freezing mark at 32 degrees. Murray, Kentucky at 37. Union City, Tennessee at 32. And then into southeast Missouri, some upper 20s back up into the Ozarks. Perryville at 29. Fredericktown currently at 30. Van Buren, Missouri at 28, while Sikeston currently at 36 degrees. High pressure to our south. We're going to get on the western side. That means a southwest wind around this afternoon. We are tracking a cold front this morning moving across the Canadian border. There's some cooler air behind it and actually some snow showers out up across the upper Midwest. Now, we're not expecting anything even in the way of rain from that next cold front, but there's the cooler air we're talking about. Des Moines down to 25, Minneapolis at 26. That is the cooler air that is pushing this way, set to arrive throughout the day on Tuesday. Out ahead of that front, though, this afternoon, we're going to be into the lower 60s. Lots of blue sky, hardly a cloud in the sky this afternoon. Once we move into Tuesday morning, that cold front will bring a few more clouds around throughout at least the morning hours on Tuesday, and then Tuesday afternoon. Lower 50s into southern Illinois and western Kentucky. The cooler air takes a little longer to get into southeast Missouri, so still highs there in the mid to upper 50s. Pretty nice day, maybe to grab some lunch outdoors at lunchtime today. Temperatures into the upper 50s, afternoon highs into the lower 60s, a few degrees warmer than average for this time of year. And now yesterday we had gusts near 40 miles per hour. Southwest winds today still blowing, but gusts only up to about 20 to 25. So it's still enough to be moving some leaves around. But this evening temperatures fall off pretty quickly. We'll be back in the middle 40s by about 9 p.m. And here you go through the rest of this week. Average high temperature into the mid 50s. By Wednesday, we're already back above that line. And then, of course, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, look at that, temperatures more than 10 degrees warmer than average for this time of year. And not a whole lot of rain this week either. Next 5 days, no real rain expected across much of the Midwest. So a pretty nice weather week ahead for us. 57 on Wednesday, 65 on Thursday, 66 on Friday. The mild weather sticks with us into the first part of the weekend. Saturday, looking gorgeous. Afternoon high temperature into the mid to upper 60s, approaching 70 degrees. Our next rain chance set to arrive on Sunday. That's yet another cold front, and that cold front will bring another cool down into the early part